Holy crap. I don't know what they did. But they are pissed. Dang. Today's episode is brought to you by the letter P. I'm out here at the park today. I don't know if I mentioned that. I've been here a while. I haven't found much at all. Just modern crap. Right here I was just getting a 2830. I figured, okay, this might be a silver dime or maybe a clad quarter. I think I got a largie at the park. It's got to be a largie. I can't tell which side I'm looking at. Is it? It has to be. Yeah, I think that's a braided hair largie. That's insane. Huh. I can't tell for sure. Yeah, there's 1 cent. I think. Oh, come on, man. Well, I'm gonna let it dry and then I'll rub it. I'm pretty certain that's a braided hair largie at the park. That's crazy. Oh my god, that's the best thing I found today. Right there's where I just found the largie. I was getting a 28 right here. Bang, silver. Bingo! It looks like a barber. It is a barber dime. 1905. Wow, is that worn? Huh. Have a mint mark. Nope. Sweet. Gonna keep going. I just got my first Indian of the day. Right in the middle, right where everybody's walked and metal detected 1,000 times. I managed to pick that out. And just a couple of feet away I got a spill here of 2 pennies. I can't tell what kind they are yet. Beautiful signal, coming up like 30. I thought it was going to be silver, but I guess because it's 2 together, I bet they're going to be Indians. I'm right by the other one that I just dug, and judging how deep and how dirty they are, I bet they're Indians. Let me clean them better and I'll get back to you. Okay, well, one's a wheat for sure, and this one I just cannot tell. I don't know.